Hi, I'm Advait Sehdev, and this is the Marketing Tales podcast, where in every episode I share a true story behind the scenes of an actual campaign where marketing hacks led to exponential growth. So, have you heard about priming? Have you heard about framing effect? Have you heard about the importance of focus? Have you heard about our focus is the most important thing, and especially when we're talking about human behavior, human psychology, it is extremely important to understand that if you're a marketer, if you're a businessman, if you're an entrepreneur, if you want people to buy your products, take your services, take your treatments, and so on and so forth, you need to understand this concept very, very clearly, right? It is all about influencing in the right frame of mind. If a person is watching TV, you will not be able to influence him or sell him something or show him something unless you are on TV, you are the face on that TV, unless he's watching you, right? So that is the whole idea. You have to make a person understand something by making that as a focus, and that is a campaign that I want to explain to you today. I'm talking about a political campaign today for a change. It's a very different campaign from the typical campaigns, but that's why I told you what is the idea that I want to focus on. So it's a very old story. I can't reveal details in terms of which state, which year, and so on and so forth. But essentially, there was a CM candidate, a chief minister candidate, and I was working very closely with him in terms of making sure that he has a great campaign online. So this campaign was done on Facebook, and this campaign was essentially one of the greatest campaigns that worked for him. Before the voting started, we launched the campaign. It was a campaign, which was very similar to something that was done in a Bollywood movie. And essentially the campaign was that, if this particular candidate became the chief minister, he is giving you an opportunity to share what you will do if you could do one activity. And you had to, there was a comment box, you could leave your comments, you could say that I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this, do that, and so on and so forth. And it was just a collection of great ideas. So we launched this campaign in the entire state. Hundreds and hundreds of comments were collected, and comments from all types of people, school principals, teachers, IAS officers, doctors, so many educated people, and people from all classes all categories, everyone, all communities, all religions. Everyone started giving ideas, and we had thousands and thousands of ideas, and that was collected. And essentially this campaign was done. Now, what was so great about this campaign, what was so special about this campaign, what was fascinating about this campaign? Coming back to priming, coming back to framing effect, what we subtly did was we told everyone that here's a candidate, here's a person who's potentially going to be a next chief minister. So we created that image that there was a very, very high chance that this person is going to be the next chief minister, and he actually became the next chief minister, which is the power of the campaign. Now, I'm not saying that it is just because of this campaign. There are hundreds and thousands of other things, but it added on to everything. The next thing that we did was, here's a candidate, again a very subtle message that was placed, is that here's a candidate essentially who is so forward looking. He involves everyone, he's democratic, he takes ideas from everyone, he understands that he individually cannot have or cannot solve all the big problems of the state, and that is why he's so progressive. So these two great ideas were essentially implanted in the minds of all the people who participated in the campaign, all the people who saw the campaign. The campaign became so famous that it was covered in print, and we got a lot of free PR because of that. So that is the whole idea. You got to think of a campaign of how it affects the mindset of a user. You got to get their focus, but getting focus is not important. Getting focus in the right thing, for the right belief, for the right mindset is important, and that is what we achieved in this campaign. I want you to think of such campaigns where you can create subtle messages, you can be forward looking, you can be progressive, you can be seen as the next leader, you or your brand. Think of those campaigns and create those campaigns, because they have much bigger impact. They're not sales related, they are emotional campaigns, they're aspirational campaigns, and that's what gives the best results. Thank you. So that's the end of this episode. Stay connected for more episodes of Marketing Tales, behind the scenes of successful campaigns and true stories about exponential growth. Till next time.